a Gweru-based member of the dreaded Central Intelligence Organization, CIA, has been cleared of rape charges. Sabina mashoko buda panguva ino achionekwa kunzi aiwa top CIO agent oescapa aiwa jere. Doti bo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina mauzi zere budanyo pamuchinzi. Gweru Regional Magistrate Christopher Maturure yesterday acquitted a 45-year-old Makopa Manyadze who was facing allegations of raping a 20-year-old woman. He denied the charges. His lawyer, Innocent Ore, applied for discharge at the close of the state's case, and Maturire ruled in favor of Manyadze, saying the state had failed to prove a case against the accused. It was the state's case that on June 23 this year, the complainant was at home alone in Kopi, Gweru, when Manyadze, who had earlier instructed her to bath, arrived at her residence. The CIO operative allegedly ordered the complainant to sit closer to him when he got into house. When she refused, he allegedly grabbed her by the waist and fondled her breast. Further allegations were that Manyadze threw the complainant on a bed and continued fondling her breast, stomach, and thighs. The state further alleged that Manyadze then removed the complainant's clothes and raped her once. After the alleged offense, the accused person instructed the complainant to dress up and open the gate for him. The matter was reported to the police by the complainant's mother after she informed her twin sister, who is based in Bulawayo, on the day the alleged assault took place. Thomas Kanobuda panguva ine achionekwa kunzi aiwa the top CIO agent panguva ine ouya achiclearwa aiwa achinzi pama charges aiwa nema allegations erape aiwa haana mhaka. Pinda comment section medu mutize mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mutize mafunguro enyu. So ano subscribe or like, chinto on the bell icon.